IDM extension is not showing up in Chrome. Now here is how to actually fix this. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. So let's get started right away. Well, let's say you have IDM installed and it doesn't show up right over here in the extensions section. Then I will show you right now how to do that and fix it. So what you can search for is IDM extension not showing in Chrome. And once I searched for that, I was able to find the official website, of course, and with a couple of different steps. So here's the Chrome browser integration. So first of all, before we actually start, please note that all IDM extensions that can be found in the Google Store are fake and should not be used. You need to install IDM extension manually from IDM installation folder. Read in 4 steps how to do it. So so first of all, step 1, please update IDM to the latest version. So they also have a tab over here how to actually do this where they explain everything. Then 2, for Chrome, you have to enable use advanced browser integrations. So right here, they also have a screenshot on how to actually do that. Now for the third method is also integration may not work when browsers launch in admin mode. So you also have to keep that in mind. And then last, maybe you or some program or a computer deleted IDM extension from Chrome. Now, if all of these methods didn't really help or whatever, then they actually do have a link to the Chrome web store. Now, this one, of course, is the legitimate one because they linked it themselves. So this is the legitimate one where it actually works. So here you can add this to Chrome. Now, if you click on the link, you will get sent back to this same website. And also here it is verified and it has over 10 million users. So keep that in mind. And yeah, you can simply add it to Chrome right over there. Now, I don't believe you can actually find this directly in the Chrome store. If you were to search for it, you will probably get a fake one. As you can see, this is a completely fake one and you don't want to use it. But let's say I were to copy it directly and search for it. Then as you can see, you simply just don't find it, only via that direct link right over there. So I will also keep or put this link in the description if you would like to. But yeah, that's basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.